Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to change fan speed on NVIDIA graphics card. The fan on NVIDIA graphics card helps us to reduce the heat generated by CPU during the operation. With this, you can maintain the optimal performance on your PC. To change fan speed on NVIDIA graphics card, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am going on with Google Chrome. After this, you need to go to your search bar on the top and type in www.msi.com/landing/afterburner. Then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of MSI. On the downside, here you can see MSI Afterburner. You can see two versions of MSI that you can download. You can either download final version or beta version. Final version is more stable than beta version, so I'm going to download final version. So click on final button. With this, now your MSI Afterburner will be downloaded. As you can see here, the download is being operated through the download icon on the top right corner. You need to wait for a few seconds till your download is complete. After your download is completed, go to the download icon on your web browser and then you can see the file that has been downloaded. Click on the given file. With this, it will locate you to the file that has been just downloaded on your PC. You need to click on the file that has been downloaded. After this, now here you get an option of do you want to make changes on your PC? You need to click on yes option. After this, you can see welcome to MSI Afterburner setup. Now you need to click on next on the downside. Then here you can see MSI agreements. You need to view through all the license agreement. Then you need to click on I accept the terms of license agreement. Then click on next. With this, now here you need to click on next again. After this, click on next and then again click on install. With this, you need to wait for a few seconds till your MSI Afterburner is being installed. Now here you need to select your language. You need to click on the given language box and then you can select a specific language. After this, click on OK option. Now here you can see MSI Afterburner setup. Click on finish option on down. With this, now your MSI Afterburner will be officially installed on your PC. And here you can see a small box that is present on my screen. That means my MSI burner has been installed. Now you can go back to your home screen on your PC. Then here you can see MSI Afterburner that has been installed. You can click on MSI Afterburner. Then it will open your MSI Afterburner. Then here you can see fan section. You can change the power limit of fan by dragging the blue circle that is present. After this, you can also change the temperature limit. For this, you can scroll the blue circle on the given limit that you want. Similarly, you can also change the fan speed. For this, you need to drag the blue circle that is present on the fan speed. With this, you'll be able to control the fan speed. This is how we can change fan speed on NVIDIA graphics card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.